Will you be excited to know that there is a village where everyone owns their own plane? It is something unbelievable for people like you and us who always book flight tickets online for traveling to one place from another. But it is completely true. Spruce Creek is in Northeast Florida, USA, located some miles away from Daytona Beach, is that exclusive residential community of the world. Airpark is where you can land with your private plane and park it in the house. Spruce Creek Airpark is the most famous based in Florida, USA. There are several airparks in the world. Most of them are in USA. There are some airparks in Canada, Argentina, Brazil, and Australia. Spruce Creek in Northeast Florida, a few miles south of Daytona Beach, is one of the most unique residential communities in the world. Known as a residential airpark or a fly-in community, Spruce Creek comprises of 5,000 residents, 1,300 homes, and 700 hangars that share a unique life in the private gated village centered around a private airfield. Instead of a garage, most houses in Spruce Creek have attached hangar, and the driveway leads directly to a 4,000 by 150 feet runway with GPS approach. There is an 18-hole golf course, several flying clubs, rental aircraft and flight training, and 24-hour patrol security. For those whose lives revolve around aeroplanes, Spruce Creek is a paradise. The Spruce Creek Airpark community is built around its private airport identifier 7FL6. The airport asphalt runway is 4,000 feet long and the maximum weight of aircraft operating on it is 30,000 pounds. Guest parking is available for visitors, free day tie down, overnight $10 per night. Interested families can join the Spruce Creek Flying Club for just $10 per year. Real estate in Spruce Creek remains desired not only because of the Spruce Creek Airport but also thanks to the many facilities and activities available to its residents. Residents of Spruce Creek reside in a close community and most of them are professional pilots. You can find them talking in aviation jargon. Other professionals of this location are doctors, lawyers, and land speculators. No matter what profession they have, all are crazy about aviation. On every Saturday morning, they gather next to the runway and fly to one of the local airports in a group of 3 for having breakfast. This is a tradition that is called as Saturday morning gazelle by them.